how to embed Google Calendar in Notion. So first, go to your Google Calendar here. Then what you need to do is just pick one of your calendars that you want to embed in Notion. So for example, I want to embed this one. Click on the three dots, then just click on settings and sharing. Next is scroll down and click on this one. Tick the box that says make available to public. Click on this one. Okay, now scroll down and then get this link. Okay, copy this whole link, the public URL to this calendar. Copy it and then go to your Notion and then open a new page, or pick on the page that you want to embed the Google Calendar to. So let's say I'll choose this one and then just click on anywhere. Then what you need to do here is just type in / and then embed. Now click on embed, then paste the link here that you copied earlier and then just click on embed link. After that, you just need to wait. Then as you can see, now Google Calendar has been embedded. So you just need to resize it however you want. So that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.